passionate about and the things that I'm doing, understanding who am I. And I'm also passionate about helping everyone around me to understand who they are. Very first question I asked myself in this journey was, I'm not giving my best to the work because my passion is here. And that moment I realized that, I think I want to just say no to this. This is done. Treat our life like a beautiful, beautiful car, and every car got four wheels, Zina. And 90% of the world, they're focusing on one wheel, even though the wheel is running at 100 miles an hour speed. The other three wheels are completely out of alignment. Not like maybe writing down, what are you grateful for just 5 minutes a day? And if you do that 10 days in a row, you are getting into the abundance mindset and see, wow, I'm grateful for so many things. And don't overthink it, don't force it. And the most important thing with the journalism is be honest with yourself. All we can do is hit the small domino. And the moment you hit the small domino, that is going to be creating many, many ripples into many levels. And you will look back and say, wow, that small thing changed everything for me. Absolutely.
Yes. And that ripple effect gains energy and momentum.
People are addicted to information. You already have enough. All you need to do is start something. Hard work is the only way that I'm going to be achieving success. And I was completely wrong. Hard work is not the one that is going to be helping you to be successful. It's all about alignment. Money is not the only thing. Most importantly, you need to be in the game. You need to be playing the game until your last day. Cancel one's famous quote, your eyes can only see, your ears can only hear what we are looking for. Not about how many people in front of you that is important. It's about who you are being in front of one person in front of you. And if you are treating that person, the most important person, and you are giving your best to that person.
First, you got to innovate within